The Narwal S10 Pro cuts through the craziest messes with one-pass perfection, it goes under furniture easily, and it has precise edge cleaning to clean up messes right next to your floorboards. When I saw it at CES, I knew that I had to have one, and now it's actually exceeded my expectations. Now, I've seen a few different other handheld wet and dry floor cleaners, but this one had some unique features and updates compared to others, which make it better and easier to use, and of course, I really like and trust the Narwal brand. The robot vacuums have been so reliable, and we normally use ours at least every other day and sometimes twice a day. For example, before people come over and then after they leave, to keep our floors spotless because we have kids and naturally it gets messy, especially now that they are starting to cook. And of course, we have a bunch of other kids coming over, so they have been great, but there's times where having a handheld vacuum and mop will make cleaning up messes much easier and faster compared to cleaning them up by hand, and it will do a better job. The Narwal S10 Pro is designed to clean up anything, even heavy messes with one-pass perfection. So no matter if it's a dry mess, a wet mess, or a crazy mess like I have here, it can handle it. Because of its industry-leading 14,000 PA suction, which is 30% better than the industry standard, paired with its 600 RPM brush, I want to do a crazy cleaning test, starting with a bunch of ketchup, then almonds for some debris, some red wine to saturate the brush, coffee grounds that love to get stuck, and to top it off, some super sticky, chunky peanut butter. Man, my kids get messy, but this is on another level. It's the ultimate test, and if it can handle this, it can handle anything. And I was shocked how it just cut through everything, picking it all up and making it look like nothing ever happened. Now, one of the best things about the S10 Pro is its edge and corner cleaning. It uses a high density short bristle brush, which reduces debris that could get stuck in the brush, and its 6mm ultrafine edge cleaning that gets super close to edges. So even messes that are right next to your kick panels or trim will get perfectly clean. This thing is designed to do it all, so it'll pick up both dry things and clean up wet messes, and it cuts hair to ensure that it doesn't get stuck and it gets sucked up. It automatically moistens the brush and assures it stays that way using intelligent spray algorithms, and has smart dirt detection to automatically detect how dirty your floor is, displaying it on the screen and adjusting the cleaning intensity by itself. It also has full 180-degree lay flat compatibility, which is great because you can clean heavy messes under furniture without having to move them, like you can see in this video. It can also move 63 degrees left or right, which gives you a lot of maneuverability so you can easily get around obstacles. Now, this whole thing weighs less than 10 pounds, and when you are using it, the static handheld weight is under 2 pounds, so even my 6-year-old can use it. So now he can easily clean up his own messes, and unlike other traditional mops where you need to put your back into it to get some pressure to clean up messes, and then your arms and your neck are gonna get tired, the S10 Pro has 17 ends of pressure and can generate forward traction to help scrub up tougher messes. It also has a large water tank to ensure that you don't have to constantly keep refilling. Now, another really cool feature is their dry-wet separation technology. Narwal keeps innovating things that really make things easier. This separates the solid from the liquid, so if I suck up some things that I don't want to flush, I can just easily dump them into the trash instead of having everything mixed together, and that makes cleaning easier. After you're done cleaning, all you do is pop it onto the base station and press the self-clean button, and it is off, cleaning the brush using 32 water pipelines to rinse, scrub, and disinfect with electrolyzed water, getting rid of 99.9% of germs, making the brush perfectly clean. Then the hot wave 131-degree warm air will fully dry the brush so there's no smell, and all this is done in less than 30 minutes and under 58 decibels. You can even use it to clean your whole house quickly because it has long battery life, and it can run for 50 minutes, cleaning up to 3,200 square feet, along with having fast charging. Now, my upstairs is just over 2,000 square feet and mostly laminate or tile, and I cleaned my whole house and it still had over 40% battery life remaining, so it's not like the Dyson that I bought before, which dies really quickly and then you're stuck waiting for it to charge. You also have multiple cleaning modes, starting with auto and then suction mode, turbo mode, and quiet mode, so if you want to set it yourself you can, and you get voice prompts that will let you know what's going on and when the self-drying is complete, which right there Clear is a killer feature instead of traditional vacuuming and then mopping, which is a pain to do it all and then to have to clean it up. The S10 Pro is another game changer from Narwal, making it super quick and easy to clean up small messes or to clean your whole home, vacuuming and mopping your floors at the same time and cleaning them better and faster than if you do it by hand. Go ahead and click the link in the description below to get the best price and use our code SPECIALSAVE or search Narwal Vacuum Mop on Google or Amazon. Thank you guys for watching. Click above to subscribe. This has been Max and I will see you in the next video.